Have you ever watched a TV show and wished that you could just jump right into the set? If you said yes and you're a fan of Friends, I have the perfect project for you today. Last year for spring break, my family and I went to LA and we went to Warner Brothers Studios. And while we were there, we got to visit the set from Friends. And you can actually walk in to Central Perk, and it was so cool, and they take your picture on the set, and I was like, wow, this is so cool. It's like being in your favorite TV show. So after visiting the Warner Brothers set of Central Perk, I was thinking, how iconic is this coffee shop? And how cool would it be to take design elements from Central Perk and create an inspired coffee bar in my own house? Here in my kitchen, I have this sort of random niche, whatever you want to call it. It's about 3 feet wide, and it does have an outlet, so this is really important. It has a nice space here, about 1 foot deep, and it has a quite high ceiling. So I was thinking, what am I gonna do with this? I never really knew what to do with this, but I was thinking, you know what? We should make it functional. You know, this would make a really great coffee bar. So when you watch Friends, you'll notice that Central Perk has a lot of interior brick, and then it has sort of a faux finished cream wall. I happen to already have this paint in a color that I really like, that's very close to the color that's used at Central Perk. And it is a duration paint from Sherwin-Williams, and it's called Compatible Cream. So you can kind of see here my messy paint can. It's called Compatible Cream, but it's really more of a buttery yellow. And I already know that I love this color because I used it in my guest bedroom. So I'm not worried about liking the color. And also, I didn't have to buy any paint because I had this left over, and it's not gonna take very much paint to do the niche. So the first step we're gonna do is paint it. I think I'm just gonna paint the back wall because as you can see, these edges are rounded, and to get a clean line would be very difficult. So I'm just going to go to the corners and cover the back wall. So that's gonna be the first step. Okay, y'all, this is the fun part. It's time to accessorize. Shopping! Now, I don't mean going out and spending a lot of money. First thing, you want to shop in your own house. Go around to different rooms in your house and see what you can find. Pick up items that you think might look good in the new space and put them all in one place, like on the dining room table. There is no reason why this vase has to sit on this table in the same spot, in the same room for years and years. Move things around. They belong to you. You bought them because you like them. So move things around and just shake things up a bit. Even just moving around your own things will make you feel like you have a whole new space. So I've gone around my home and looked for things that sort of go with this theme. I studied the pictures of the Friends Central Perk set and looked for items that I might have that are similar, the same color schemes or the same theme. So as you can see, I have quite a few just random accessories that I found around my house that I think are gonna look cute and go with the style that we're going for. I did buy a few things. First off, I bought this cool coffee sign. This was on sale at Hobby Lobby for $15, which I thought was a very good price. It's made with wood, and then it has this metal accent. If you look at pictures of Central Perk, you'll notice that above the Central Perk sign, they have some red neon that says like coffee, cappuccino in a very similar font of this. I'm just going to take this sort of sign that has that look to it and I'm going to paint the wood red. So it'll really pop and it'll have that neon feel. That's my plan. Get a bright red paint and paint just the wooden part. I'm gonna leave the metal part alone so it really pops and hopefully will give the feel of that neon sign. I also purchased this really cute, I think it's a cupcake holder. It's like a chandelier look. Isn't that cute? I got this for $20. It was marked down on clearance at HomeGoods. But I'm not gonna use it for cupcakes, which I think is its intended purpose. I am going to use this to hold and display my super cute mugs, which by the way, I already have. So what do you think? I really like the way it came out and I think we really captured the essence of the Central Perk coffee shop and has that feel to it. Hey, if you like this video, be sure and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I made this sign here, I have another video with step-by-step instructions and you can click on the link right here to watch that. Thanks for watching. Bye.